Vertical machining centers, or VMCs, have the spindle oriented in the vertical direction and thus bear some resemblance to the ram-type milling machine. Verticals may be preferred over horizontal machining centers when work is done primarily on a single workface. When a rotary table or indexer is added to the VMC machine table, more than a single side of a workpiece or a multiple part setup can be machined without operator intervention. Rotary devices either index the part to present a new work surface to the spindle, or they rotate it slowly under full CNC control while it is machined. VMCs with such a device have 4 axes of motion. There are the 3 linear axes, the x-axis, which defines the table's motion side to side, the y-axis, which defines the table's motion in and out, and the z-axis, which defines the head movement up and down the column. The 4th rotary axis is designated the b-axis.